Alright, let's dive in. First, fire up the DataStage Designer. Think of it as your playground for data magic. Next, we venture into the routine repository where all the good stuff is stored. Now, handpick the routine you want to export. Finally, hit that export button and voila. It's like packing your bags for a data journey, but without the airport security hassle. Hi everyone, I am Catherine Scott. And for over 12 years, I have helped businesses like yours harness the power of ERP systems to unlock their full potential. Today, I want to walk you through how our solution doesn't just meet your needs, it anticipates them. Think of it as your business nervous system, intelligent, responsive, and always working for you. Let's dive into the technical magic behind it because when you understand how it works, you'll see exactly why it's a game changer. Let's talk about routines, aka the secret sauce of DataStage. These nifty little functions automate tasks, saving you from repetitive work. They boost reusability, meaning you don't have to reinvent the wheel each time. Efficiency, sky high. And best of all, they help cut down manual errors. Because let's be honest, who doesn't love fewer headaches? Like ice cream flavors, routines come in different types. Parallel routines work best for high-speed processing, while server routines are perfect for back-end logic. Want something tailored? Go for custom routines. And of course, built-in routines are like pre-made desserts, handy and ready to go. Exporting routines is like sharing a great recipe. Once you've got a masterpiece, why not spread the joy? It helps maintain consistency across projects, makes collaboration a breeze, and simplifies migration. So instead of starting from scratch, you can just export, import, and get rolling. Picking the right export format is a bit like choosing between PDF or Word. You need the right fit. Some formats ensure compatibility across different environments, while others depend on project requirements. And hey, data portability matters. So choose wisely like you would a good pair of shoes. Alright, first things first, let's make sure our routine is saved properly before we ship it off. Imagine misplacing an important document, it's not fun. Keep a clear naming convention so you're not playing detective later. Also, place the file where you won't lose it, like the digital equivalent of a sock in the laundry. Lastly, double-check dependencies, because a missing file can turn a smooth transfer into a wild goose chase. Now, just because you clicked export doesn't mean the job's done. Check the format, because sending a non-compatible file is like giving someone a VHS tape in the era of streaming. Peek inside to confirm everything's where it should be. And don't forget to run a test, because assuming things work perfectly has led to many embarrassing meetings. Importing the routine sounds straightforward until it isn't. Pick the right method or risk turning a simple task into a frustrating puzzle. Ensure compatibility with the new project, because mismatched formats are the tech world's version of oil and water. Fix any missing dependencies before they wreak havoc. Lastly, run a quick test, because troubleshooting post-launch is the definition of chaos. A troubleshooting where patience meets detective work. First, spot common errors before they spiral into bigger problems. Check system requirements, because sometimes the issue isn't with the file but with the stubborn software. Keep an eye out for missing or corrupted files, because a broken export is as useful as a chocolate teapot. And don't forget to check logs, they're like breadcrumbs leading to the solution. Routine management isn't just about exporting, it's about keeping everything neat and tidy. Document everything, because relying on memory is like playing a guessing game with yourself. Use version control, because tracking changes manually is a recipe for disaster. Always back up your routines, it's the digital equivalent of having a parachute. And optimize regularly, because even great routines can become bloated over time. Security is no joke unless you enjoy data breaches. Always check for sensitive information before exporting. Use encryption to keep files safe because cyber threats are real. Control access, because letting everyone in is like leaving your house unlocked. Finally, monitor logs, because catching odd activity early is better than dealing with disaster later. And that's a wrap. We covered saving, verifying, importing, troubleshooting, best practices, and security. Now you're practically an expert. Routine management isn't just paperwork, it saves headaches in the future. And troubleshoot issues before they turn into full-blown disasters. And most importantly, apply these best practices. Your future self will thank you. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.